Let me read the question. This is the question number 3 of our problem sums. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. Later, she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1,750. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. हमें एक का ही प्राइस पता करना है. So here we will start our process. Let the cost of or a price of a one ball, cost of a ball or a bat is X rupees, and let the cost of a ball, that will be Y rupees. Then they told us that the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 ball. So अगर एक बैट की प्राइस X rupees है, this is price. So what will be for the 7 bat? So it will become 7x. So like that, if price of one ball is Y rupees, so 6 balls की question mark. So here it will become 6x. So जब उसने that coach buys 7 bats and 6 balls, she paid this much amount. Means जब उन्होंने 7x यानी x अमाउंट है, अगर वो 5 रुपीस है तो उसने 7 5 35 एंड यहाँ पे ये 4 है. So it will be in the form of 6 4s are 24. So all together they are what paying? They are paying 3,800 rupees. So this will be our first equation. So in a similar way, if we are talking about second equation, let her she buys 3 bats and 5 balls. यानी दूसरी कंडीशन के लिए यहाँ पे that what she did for one bat, what will be the price? For one bat, the price will be X rupees. So for 3 bat, what will be the price? So it will become 3x. Like that, if she is purchasing one ball, she is paying Y rupees. तो अगर उसने 5 balls खरीदे हैं, so how much she will pay? तो she will pay 5y. And all together, after getting 3x and 5y, she is paying 1,750 rupees. So our equation will be 3x plus 5y is equals to 1,750. So these are our two equations. So what I mean to say is that यहाँ पे मैंने दो इक्वेशन फॉर्म कर दिए हैं. Now we have to solve. So let me rub some portion of it. You have to mention all these things. So after getting that, what we got? We got 7x plus 6y, that is equals to 3800. That is our equation number 1. And later on we are getting 3x plus 5y is equals to 1750. That is our equation number 2. Now here we have to solve it. यानी हम substitution method कर रहे हैं. तो let me take the first equation, that is 7x plus 6y is equals to 3800. Let me make head of it, यानी कि हम 7x को as it is रखेंगे, हम इसे shift कर रहे हैं. So it will become minus 6y, then x will become 3800 minus 6y by 7. So here I got value of x, and that is my equation number 3. Now I have to substitute equation number 3 into, so I will write that substitute value of x in 2. तो अगर हम 2 में x के प्लेस पे ये रख रहे हैं, then how it will look like? So let me write over here. So it will look like 3x plus 5y is equals to 1750, and on that place, on the place of x, I have to write this 3800 minus 6y by 7 plus 5y, and that is equal to 1750. Okay, so no, we having no option. So what we will do? We will take LCM because यहाँ 7 7 नहीं है, ताकि हम इसे reduce कर सकें. So we will take LCM. So ये 7 5 are 35y हो जाएगा, and we have to multiply that 7 here too. So it will look like this. Now we have to solve it. Means 3 we will multiply inside. So how it will look like? So it will look like 3 3s are 9. Let me 3 3s are 9, 10 and 11. So it is looking like 11400 minus 6 3s are 18y plus 35y, and we have to multiply 7 with 1750 into 7 we have to multiply this. 7 zeros are 0, 7 5s are 35, 3 7 7s are 49, 49 plus 3 52 raised to 5, 7 ones are 7, 8 9 10 11 and 12. So it is looking like 12250. Now we have to do shifting again. So I will shift this 11 there because this is 35 minus 18. So separately we will find 35 minus 18. So what we are getting, take borrow from it. So it will become, so 17y I am getting 17y, and the symbol of greater number is plus, so it will be plus. And 12250 minus 1140 we have to do. Then separately again we will find it. That what we have to do, 12,250 minus 11,400, so it will become 0 5. Now we have to take borrow from it. It will become 1, and this will become 12 minus 4, it will become 8, and this will become 0. So 850 is the answer. So I will write 17y is equal to 850. So y is equal to 850 divided by 17. So as you can't see over there, let me write somewhere over here so you can see. Okay. Let me rub some portion so at least you can see this whatever I have. So here again we are doing that. So let me substitute the value. So it will looking like 3x plus 5y is equal to 1750. On the place of x I will write 3800 minus 6y, यानी x के प्लेस पे हमने x की ये वैल्यू इक्वेशन 2 में सब्स्टिट्यूट की. Then how it will looking like? So it will look like this. Then it will become 5y, and that is equal to 1750. So here we have to take LCM. So it will become 3 into 3800 minus 6y. Now I am taking LCM of this. So 7 5s are 35y, and both will having one denominator as 7. So वो 7 को हम यहाँ ऊपर लेके जाएंगे. So it will become 7 into 1750. ठीक है. Now we will multiply it. So what kind of answer we are getting? We have to multiply with 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 3s are 9, 10 and 11. So we are getting 11400. 6 3s are 18. तो ये होगा minus 18y. This plus 35y is remain as it is. Then we have to multiply 1750 into 7. 7 zeros are 7. 7 5s are 35 or 3. 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 3 it will become 52. 7 1s are 7, 8 9 10 11 and 12. So here I am getting 12250. Let us subtract 35 minus 18. So we will get 17y, and this will be as it is. हम इसको उधर शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं, so it will become minus. Now let us do minus. Subtraction of this means 12250 minus we have to do this. So it will become 5. We have to take borrow from it. It will become 12. 12 minus 4 will become 8. So here we are getting 17y is equal to 850. ठीक है. Then if we are solving that y is equals to, यहाँ सब therefore आएगा because it is equation. So almost we have written equal to value. It will become 850 divided by 17. 17 5s are 85. So it will become 50. यानी ये 50 से कट हो रहा है. So value of y we got as 15. So here as you can see we got value of y. Now so as here you can see we got value of y. Let us substitute in any equation. So as I told you, we will substitute value of y in equation number 3. So how it will look like? So it will become x equals to 3800 minus 6y by 7. So it will looking like 3800 minus 6 into y will become 50 by 7. So it will become 3800 minus 6 5s are 30, and that 0 So here we are subtracting 3800 minus 300, so it will become 3500. ठीक है, so x is becoming what? 3500 by 7. So 7 5s are 35 and that 2 zeros. So x is 500. x we got as 500, यानी यहाँ पे एक बैट की प्राइस कितनी है 500 रुपीज़ और एक बॉल की प्राइस 50 रुपीज़ है, विच इज़ जस्टिफाइड क्योंकि वी आर नोइंग दैट बैट इज मच मोर कॉस्टलियर देन दी बॉल. सो दिस इज द जस्टिफाइड आंसर दैट द प्राइस ऑफ अ बैट. यहाँ पे हम स्टेटमेंट के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं दैट द कॉस्ट ऑफ वन बॉल is 500 rupees, sorry 50 rupees, and the cost of one bat is 500 rupees. So as you can see over here, this much solving you have to do. You have to take two equation, take the first equation, उसको solve करो, तुम्हें x की वैल्यू मिलेगी. You have to substitute in second equation, तो तुम्हें y का pure value मिलेगा which will be in numbers. Then the value of y you can substitute in 1, 2 or any, but I am always substituting in 3 because it is already in shifted form and I am getting the value of x. So this is the concept of this question. I hope you understood. तो जैसे जैसे हमारा लेवल इंक्रीज हो रहा है, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व्स की डिफिकल्टी लेवल भी इंक्रीज होगा. सो लेट अस रीड दिस क्वेश्चन. द टैक्सी चार्जेस इन अ सिटी कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ फिक्स्ड चार्ज टुगेदर विद अ चार्ज फॉर अ डिस्टेंस कवर्ड. For a distance of 10 km, the charge is paid as 105, and for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is 155. What are the fixed charges and the charges per kilometer? Yani the concept is like that: if someone is taking one vehicle and he is traveling from that vehicle, suppose what is happening to उसने पर्टिकुलर 1 किलोमीटर कवर किया ना, तो उसको x रुपीज़ तो ऑटो वाले को दे ही देने या टैक्सी वाले को दे देने, और बाकी के जो किलोमीटर बच गए हैं दैट विल बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ x माइनस 1, बिकॉज हियर इन लास्ट ईयर वी वर डिस्क्राइबिंग दिस वन एज x किलोमीटर. सो अगर 1 किलोमीटर का फिक्स चार्ज है तो यहाँ पे x माइनस 1 ले रहे थे. दैट इज द कॉन्सेप्ट इन 9th स्टैंडर्ड. तो यहाँ पे क्या बोल दिया है, लेट अस गेस दिस fixed charge in the form of x and the for the rest, यानी कि वो बाकी के जो 10 किलोमीटर बच गए हैं उनके लिए वो चार्जेस कितना पे कर रहा है. दैट फॉर द डिस्टेंस ऑफ 10 किलोमीटर द चार्ज पेड इज 105 and for the journey of the 15 kilometer the charge paid is 155. Okay, so here we are guessing. Let the fixed charge is, let the fixed charge as x rupees, and for the rest kilometer let the charge for rest kilometer will be y rupees. So here for the 10 kilometer कितने होंगे, यानी 1 किलोमीटर के लिए if we are charging y rupees, so 10 किलोमीटर के लिए वो होगा क्वेश्चन मार्क. So here we are getting 10y. So how our equation will be formed? पहले ये फिक्स चार्ज तो दे ही देना है, साथ साथ में 10 किलोमीटर के लिए y रुपीज़ देना है, एंड दैट जब वो सब मिल जा रहा है ना तो ऑटो वाले को एट लास्ट व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग एंड गिविंग व्हाट ऑटो वाला इज गेटिंग और टैक्सी वाला दैट ही इज गेटिंग 105 रुपीज़, एंड दिस विल बी आवर इक्वेशन नंबर 1. Means what is the concept behind is this? Suppose अगर वो पहले ऑटो में बैठने के साथ या टैक्सी में बैठने के साथ 5 रुपये ले रहा है और बाकी के सब्सिक्वेंट किलोमीटर के लिए 3 रुपये ले रहा है, सो व्हाट विल बी द अमाउंट? सो इट विल बिकम 30 एंड 30 प्लस 5 मीन्स वो उसने पूरे 11 किलोमीटर के कितने रुपीज़ लिए, तो उसने 11 किलोमीटर के 35 रुपीज़ लिए. So this is the concept behind it. Only we are not knowing the value of y and we are not knowing the value of x. That's why we are doing it in this form. So this we have formed first equation. Now we will read for second equation. For the journey of a 15 किलोमीटर, यानी यहाँ क्या चेंज हो रहा है, यानी यहाँ चेंज हो रहा है ये फिक्स चार्ज तो x ही है, बट अगर हम 15 किलोमीटर चले गए देन व्हाट वी हैव टू पे, तो वी हैव टू पे 15y रुपीज़. ठीक है, So x will be same, here will change, that will be 15y, और at the last total amount we are knowing कि हम उसको 155 रुपीज दे रहे हैं, but what we are not knowing, हमको फिक्स चार्ज नहीं पता, यानी कि हमें x नहीं पता, as well as we are not knowing y, that particular किलोमीटर के लिए subsequent kilometers के लिए how much amount we are paying to that taxi driver. Now let us find that only. Let me begin. This is our equation number 1. If I am making head, it will become 105 minus 10y, and that will be our equation number 3, as you are knowing. This is my equation number 3. Then I will write that substitute value of x in equation number 2. तो अगर हम x के प्लेस पे ये वाला वैल्यू रखते हैं, then how it will look like? So it will looking like this. You have to mention whatever I have mentioned over here, but it is for continuing. So अगर मैं x के प्लेस पे यहाँ 105 minus 10y लिखती हूँ, then how it will look like? 105 minus 10y plus this 15y, and that is equals to 155. So let us solve this. 15 minus 10, so it will become 5y, and 155 is at its place. We are shifting 105. So it will looking like that 5y is equals to 155. 155 minus 105, you have to do subtraction. So it will become 50. So let me write 50 over here. So y is equals to 50 by 5. So it will become 10. यानी अगर y का वैल्यू मिल रहा है, y 10 रुपीज आ रहा है, यानी अगर यहाँ पे सपोज इट इज इन दी फॉर्म ऑफ 10y, तो y का वैल्यू 10 है, तो वी आर गिविंग 100 रुपीज फॉर दिस. So now we have to find x. So again I will write that substitute value of y in equation number. Now you can write in any equation, but I will write in 3. So on the place of, let me write equation first. X is equals to 105 minus 10y. So x is equals to 105. 10 into 10 because value of y is 10. जो मैंने यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट की है, so 105 minus 100, so x will become 105 minus 100, so 5 minus 0 0 0 and that 0, so we are getting 5. So यानी अगर हम ऑटो में बैठ रहे हैं, तो अगर हम कोई किलोमीटर जाए ना जाए, पहले हमें उसे 5 रुपीज़ तो दे ही देने हैं, और बाकी के जो किलोमीटर्स होंगे पर किलोमीटर वी आर पेइंग 10 रुपीज़. 3 किलोमीटर जाएंगे तो हमको 30 रुपीज़ देना है, as well as this 5 rupees we have to pay. So here we found two values. We got our fixed charge, and our fixed charge is in the form. So let me write fixed charge is 5 rupees, and for rest kilometer means fixed charge is x, and that we have found as 5 rupees, and for rest kilometer it is y, and we found y as 10. So यहाँ पे एक एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन दिया है, that how much does the person have to pay for the traveling distance of 25 किलोमीटर. यानी यहाँ पे बोल रखा है कि अगर वो 25 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहा है, तो फिक्स चार्ज तो उसे देना ही देना है, साथ साथ में उसे 25 किलोमीटर के पैसे लेना है. मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड दिस. So we will substitute value of x as 5. 25 let me keep as it is. Y I will write as 10. 5. 25 into 10, तो सिर्फ एक जीरो लगाएंगे हम पीछे. So it will become 255 because when we are adding 255 plus 5, it will become 250 plus 5, it will become 255 rupees. यानी अगर वो 25 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल कर रहा है, then he has to pay 255 rupees. So इसी तरह they can make question that for 30 kilometer how much he will pay. So you have to write 30y over here and you can find the value. So this is the concept behind this question. I hope you understood. This kind of problems are most of the time they are asking.